The 2026 tablet war just hit a boiling point, and if you thought the M4 iPad Pro was the peak of mobile engineering, you might want to hold onto your wallet for just a few more months. Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we bring you the future before it even hits the shelves. Today we are diving deep into the most anticipated Android device of the decade, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. We aren't just talking about a minor spec bump here. We are talking about a total architectural shift that promises to erase the line between a tablet and a high-end workstation. From a revolutionary no-notch Tandem OLED display to a staggering 24GB of RAM that rivals high-end gaming laptops, Samsung is clearly tired of playing second fiddle. We are breaking down every authentic leak, every hardware benchmark, and the official release window for the US and global markets. Why is Samsung ditching the notch? Can the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 actually outperform rival silicon in real-world multitasking? And most importantly, is this finally the device that makes the laptop versus tablet debate irrelevant? Stick around until the very end, because I'm revealing the exclusive price tiers and a hidden Neural DeX feature that is about to change how you work forever. For years, the one thing holding back the Ultra experience was that little cutout at the top of the screen, which was a compromise for those dual front-facing cameras. But for the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, the engineers in Seoul have finally cracked the code. We are looking at the debut of Under-Display Camera 2.0. This isn't the blurry, low-resolution tech we saw in earlier foldables. This is a high-fidelity sensor hidden beneath a 14.6-inch Tandem OLED panel. Imagine a completely seamless, edge-to-edge canvas with zero interruptions. This display is rumored to hit a staggering 3000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're a colorist working in a sunlit studio or a student taking notes in a bright lecture hall, this screen is designed to be the best on the planet. By using a tandem stack, which is 2 layers of organic light-emitting diodes, Samsung has managed to double the lifespan of the pixels while significantly reducing the risk of burn-in, all while achieving high dynamic range performance that makes current displays look dim. But a beautiful screen needs serious muscle behind it, and this is where things get truly incredible. While previous iterations utilized different silicon to balance cost, the S12 Ultra is returning to its roots with a special for Galaxy edition of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. Benchmarks leaked from early test units show a multi-core score that doesn't just compete with the top tier of the market, it challenges for the crown. But the real story is the memory. For the first time ever in a mass-market tablet, Samsung is offering a configuration with 24GB of LPDDR6 RAM. You might ask, why on earth a tablet needs 24 gigs of RAM? The answer is Neural DeX. Samsung is moving away from basic windowed multitasking and toward a fully localized AI operating system. With 24 GB of RAM, the Tab S12 Ultra can run complex large language models and generative AI video tools entirely on-device without needing an internet connection. This means you can edit 8K video timelines, run AI-assisted coding environments, and have dozens of browser tabs open simultaneously without the system ever refreshing a single page. It is a level of headroom that we have only ever seen on professional-grade laptops. Let's talk about the build, because the S12 Ultra is getting a serious armor upgrade. Following the success of recent flagship phones, Samsung is moving the Tab S12 Ultra to a Grade 5 titanium chassis. This isn't just about the premium feel. When you have a 14.6-inch device, structural integrity is everything. Titanium offers a higher strength-to-weight ratio than aluminum, meaning the S12 Ultra will be thinner than the previous generation while being significantly more resistant to bending. At just 5 mm thick, it is an engineering marvel that feels like a slab of glass from the future. Even the S Pen is getting a massive overhaul. The S Pen Pro 3, which comes included in the box, now features active haptic feedback. This means when you draw on the screen, the pen creates subtle vibrations that mimic the feel of lead on paper or a brush on canvas. It's an immersive tactile experience that digital artists have been begging for. Combine that with a latency that has been reduced to near zero, and the gap between physical and digital art has effectively vanished. Connectivity is another area where Samsung is leaving nothing to chance. The Tab S12 Ultra will be one of the first devices to fully support Wi-Fi 7 and 5G Advanced. In a world where we are increasingly moving large files through the cloud, these speeds are no longer a luxury, they are a necessity. Whether you're in a crowded airport in New York or a high-rise office in London, you can expect gigabit plus speeds that make downloading 50 gigabyte project files feel like downloading a simple document. Now let's address the price and the release date. High-end technology like this doesn't come cheap. Reliable sources within the supply chain indicate that the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra will see a slight price increase to reflect the cost of the titanium build and the Tandem OLED tech. Expect the base model with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage to start at $1,299 in the US. If you want that laptop killer spec with 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, you're looking at a price tag closer to $1,799. As for the timeline, mark your calendars for late August or early September 2026. Samsung typically aligns its tablet launches with its Fall Unpacked event. This puts it in direct competition with the back-to-school season and the inevitable hardware refreshes from their biggest rivals. Pre-orders are expected to go live immediately after the event, with units hitting shelves in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia by the third week of September. One feature we haven't touched on yet, which might be the sleeper hit of the year, is the battery. Despite being thinner, Samsung has managed to fit an 11,800 mAh battery into this frame. Combined with the 3nm efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, we are looking at true 16-hour real-world battery life. And when you do run low, the 65-watt superfast charging will get you from 0 to 50% in just under 30 minutes. This makes it an ideal companion for long-haul flights or full days of back-to-back meetings where power outlets are nowhere to be found. The software experience is also receiving a major polish. Beyond the Neural DeX capabilities, Samsung is introducing a new version of One UI specifically optimized for large screens. We are seeing deeper integration with professional software suites like Adobe Creative Cloud and LumaFusion. The goal is to make the transition from a traditional computer to a tablet as seamless as possible. Imagine starting a project on your desktop and finishing it on the train with the exact same tools and performance levels. That is the promise of the S12 Ultra. The thermal management system has also been redesigned with a larger vapor chamber to ensure that even under heavy AI processing or 4K rendering, the device stays cool to the touch and maintains peak performance without thermal throttling. So who is this for? If you are a casual user who just wants to browse social media, the S12 Ultra is arguably overkill. But if you are a professional, a creator, or a power user who has been waiting for the one device to rule them all, this is it. It's a device that functions as a world-class canvas, a desktop-level workstation, and a high-end media center all in one. Samsung isn't just making a tablet anymore, they are making a statement. They are proving that the Android ecosystem can provide a more versatile, open, and powerful experience than any competing platform. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra represents the absolute pinnacle of what mobile hardware can achieve. With the move to titanium, the removal of the notch, and the jump to 24 GB of RAM, it feels like the tablet has finally grown up. It is no longer just a companion device for your phone or laptop, it is the center of your digital life. Thank you so much for joining us here at TechVibe for this exclusive deep dive into the next generation of Samsung's flagship tablet. We've covered everything from the revolutionary under-display camera to the sheer power of the latest processors. The tech world is moving faster than ever, and we are here to make sure you stay ahead of the curve. If you found this breakdown helpful, do us a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe to TechVibe for the latest leaks, reviews, and tech insights that you won't find anywhere else. We want to hear from you in the comments. Is 24 GB of RAM too much for a tablet, or is it exactly what you've been waiting for? And will you be trading in your current device for the S12 Ultra this fall? Let's get the conversation started below. I'm your host from TechVibe, and I'll see you in the next one where we'll be taking a look at some secret accessories that haven't even been announced yet. Stay tech savvy and we'll catch you soon.